I would like to see a day whereby I didn't have to talk about those type of things at all. It's not fair that I've made a conscious decision when I got elected that in the very privileged position that I'm in, and it is a privileged position, that I will use that to advance some of the issues that I believe are important in society, and one of those is issues around inequality, particularly for lesbian and gay people. And I've used that, but it's at your own detriment. You have to put your private self out into the public, and you're part of public discourse, and that's tough. That's really, really tough. And I genuinely, as much as I always respond to all of these issues, I wish I never had to speak about any of these issues, and particularly use my own personal examples, because most other TDs or senators or people in public life don't regularly have to go about speaking about their personal life in order to advance a better society or a more equal society. So in answer, if there are other gay or lesbian people in Leinster House, so be it. It's their own business. If they choose to come out and make that public, that's fantastic if they believe that's the right decision for them. But I'd love to see a day where there's no issues for gay and lesbian people, and it's as normal as breathing oxygen.